Guess who's back? You know, it's Sweat. You know, Zero. And I'm back on the Green Lantern once again. I'm still at odds with this right here, the bumper guard. So I think what I have to do is take this bumper off and get them from the back, because there's no way I can get to them up underneath it. It's too much framework in the way. So just hang out with me. I'm gonna try to take this bumper off. Then we're gonna take them off from the back. I don't know, maybe my bumper just might have a couple holes in them or some extra little holes. But we gotta get it off. And I'll be back. What's up, y'all? It's round 17. And you see I got the bumper off. Partially, but I cannot get this bolt down here out. This bolt absolutely does not want to come out. And I took this off. This thing right here. I don't even know what that's called. I got the grill off. So I can get to, it was bolts on top. It wasn't just bolts on bottom. It was bolts on top also. So I can't get that one out. But I can kind of lean this back some to get to these two bolts on the back side right there. I mean, is it dark enough? So there's two bolts right there. They kind of oblong though. They don't really fit a bit. So hopefully they like rectangles. They not what you call them, octagons or nothing like that. Or so we still out here, still getting at it, and I'll be back. Look, y'all, I got it. I got it right here. Got this one. See, this how it look. And that's what, see, that mechanic knocked this off. They ran into it, or they ran into something, or had something run into this. You know, and I go to, remember, they was all bent up. Knocked this one off. Knocked it off and bent up them little poles. Then he tell me he think just because he got a sign up to say not responsible for lost or stolen items that he's not responsible, but that's not true. Once you take possession of somebody's stuff, you are liable for what happens to it, especially if you don't have it locked in a gate or anything like that. It has to be locked up and stuff. Just because that dump truck driving down the street and say stay back 200 feet, that don't mean if you not within 200 feet, if a rock fall off of it and crack your windshield, it's not his fault. They supposed to get up there, knock all them rocks off and stuff before they leave and secure that load. But we got it. I'll be back for that bolt at another time. I'm not done with you yet. But I got them off there. I just wanted to take them off since they had done that. Took the lights out and everything. Took the grill off. Took that part off. Just gonna put it all back together and I'll be back. Okay, I got him back together. Lights is still working. Even with all that vibrating and everything. Well, this park light ain't right there. But y'all see me. Of course, I'm gonna change the grill out and I'm gonna change some other things. But the Green Lantern shall return. You know, give me a like, give me a comment, give me a share. I'm putting in the effort. Y'all stay tuned until the next time.